Welcome to Trading Lounge and the SP 500 for the 14th of January. As you noticed on our chart yesterday, we're looking for another high, and that would bring us in to the 3,300 area here before we see this wave 4 correction. So let's drill in for that on the 4-hour chart here, picking it up from wave 4 here. We've got 1 and 2 here, and 3 ABC for 4 here, and we need to look at this as 1 and 2 in here, 3 and 4 in here, and then up for 5 here. So on the hourly chart here, picking it up from the green wave 4 here, we need to look at this as 1 and 2, and 3 here and 4 here, and 5 moving up through here. To confirm this though, we do need to move above this particular high area through here, so we'll wait for that. By all means, we need to look for short trades on confirmation of this low here being breached, just in case we do have 5 waves down here, an A and a B and a C wave finishing here, not taking out that top and then moving down from that point. So that's the point we'll go short. In fact, you'll be able to refine that here a little bit further through here. You can put it up closer. I always like for the 72 to become the retested resistance here. So drilling into here, yes, you could go long in this little area through here if you wanted to. Let's go into the tick chart and just have a look at this here. This is 100 ticks, picking it up from wave 4 here. So wave 4 here at this point. We can look at this here in terms of an impulse wave up through here, the ABC correction pulling back to 50-60%, and then this move up through here as wave 1 here and 2 here, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for the third, the fourth wave here, the fifth wave coming into play here of wave 3 here. So this will take out the high here, then it will come back and retest here for wave 4, so that's where you would want to pick it up at that point, and then we can move up into wave 5 here of wave 5 and so on here to this area through here at 3 there, or very close to it at that particular point. I can't draw on this side of the tick chart here, so we'll just draw over here. So if we consider this move up here to be wave 3 here, then wave 4 here, and then we're going up for wave 5 of 3 here, that will take us up into this space here. Then we'll see this here as an ABC to come back for wave 4 here. So if you're going to go long, then you'd need to go, just draw a line through from here to here. This will be an A and a B and a C, so we can just even put that in here, A, B and C here, and that would be your better entry point at that stage. Put it on the level there. So there'll be a 3-wave move here. This wave 5 will be roughly the same as wave 1 here in terms of distance, because the extension's in wave 3 here. This whole of wave 3 here is, yeah, it's kind of got a bit of muscle to it, so we could call it that length. So we could look for wave 1 here and wave 5 to be roughly the same length as well. So I don't know if we're going to get to the 3,300, probably. So taking this trade here will be fine, but probably better to wait for it to pull back at this particular stage. And that will also give you a good risk-reward ratio to getting in through here and having the last low on the stop coming in through this way here. And look to add to position through this high here, because that will be confirmation going through this second high here, be confirmation that this is actually corrective at that point, rather than down for 1, back for 2, down for 1, back for 2, and so on. So that's kind of critical too. Alrighty, I'll leave it at that. Just a short video. Thanks for tuning in. Much appreciated. Cheers.